part 2 of garden update of April 8th, 18. This is the indoor section. You can see the succulents are doing well, and the aquatic plants, this guy I think is still doing well, and then this guy, the big one and behind is fine, but then the one in the front is kind of dying. So yeah, I'm just gonna change the water probably every week or so. All the orchids are looking pretty much the same, just growing, and this guy you can see the sprouts coming out from the base, like right here, and then you can see another guy behind it. So yeah, lots of sprouting from the orchid, not much with these other orchids though. Staghorn fern, this guy is still doing well, you can see that new leaf over there. And then these other orchids, this one is doing well, and then this one isn't doing too well. You can see the leaves are kind of turning brown at the tip. This one is doing well too. Another new leaf is coming up from the base. No sprouts from the snake plant yet. And then this prayer plant is doing well. You can see the pigmentation is darker now. And this new plant over here. Remember how I used to call this plant peacock plants, interchangeably with prayer plants? They are actually different plants, both from the same family, but different genus. This one is prayer plants, and I don't have a peacock plant, so, but they look pretty similar actually. And let's look at this guy. This one is doing well. I need to start really get to know their name, so yeah. But yeah, this guy is doing well. Hopefully it's gonna grow faster. The Hoya plant, yeah, I know the name for this one, so that's good. You can see new growth is doing well. The leaves are getting bigger. It's looking pretty healthy. And then right here, this other orchid is doing well too. Lots of new growth. Not too much to talk about with this guy. And then those two new plants I planted, they're still alive, doing well. Yeah. The succulents looks pretty much the same. This guy with the little baby at the base, the baby is still doing fine. Snake plants, not too much to talk about. Spider plant looks a little wilted. I need to water them today. It's been a while. And then this prayer plant, not peacock plant. This prayer plant is doing well too. You can see the wonderful new growth from the base with really dark pigmentation. I really like the dark purple pigmentation. And here the fern is doing well. Another fern is doing well too. And then these spider plants propagation is all doing really well. The roots are developing nicely. And this other guy, pretty much the same. And you probably have been wondering where the pine tree is, the stone pine. So I actually put it in the doorway without a window, so it's gonna be dark. And so I moved the growth light right by it, so I can turn it on for it. And yeah, so far it's looking fine, it's not dying, so that's a good sign. But yeah, I have to keep a closer eye on the plants, because light is a really important element for indoor plants especially.